Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a clock to your Instagram story. To begin, open the Instagram application on your smartphone. You can then tap the plus icon located at the top of your screen, or simply swipe right from your main feed. This action will bring you to the story creation interface. From there, make sure to select the story option at the bottom to start crafting your visual narrative. Once you're in the story creation mode, you have two main options for your content. You can either capture a brand new photo or video by pressing the large capture button in the center. Or, if you prefer, swipe up from the bottom of your screen or tap the small gallery icon to browse and select existing media from your phone's camera roll. Choose the perfect visual to accompany your clock. With your photo or video ready, it's time to add the clock. Look for the sticker icon at the top of your screen. It typically resembles a square smiley face. Tap this icon to open the sticker tray. Now, scroll through the various options until you find the time or clock sticker. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to place it directly onto your story canvas. After adding the clock, you can customize its appearance. Tap the clock sticker itself to cycle through different display formats, like an analog or digital clock. You can also pinch and drag the sticker with 2 fingers to easily resize and reposition it anywhere on your story. Once satisfied, tap your story or close friends at the bottom right to share your perfectly timed update with your followers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.